Hello students, welcome to chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss about chemical kinetics. The subtopic is difference between rate of reaction and rate constant. First of all, what is mean by rate? Rate is nothing but the rate is represent the speed of the chemical reaction. So the reactants converted into products. Okay, the rate of reaction represent the speed of the reaction. So reactants converted into product. Next, rate constant. Rate constant shortly denoted by K. It is a proportionality constant. Here K is equal to rate by concentration. So K is equal to rate by concentration. It is a proportionality constant. Next, rate of reaction. Rate of reaction measured decreases in the concentration of the reactant or increasing in the concentration of the product. It is simply denoted by this graph. The concentration of the reactant decreases depending upon the time because concentration is decreases, at the same time speed of the reaction also, rate also decreases. Suppose concentration is increases, rate of chemical reaction also increases. So concentration of the reactant is decreases due to concentration decreases due to the time, and product concentration increases and rate also increases. Here rate constant is always equal to the rate of the reaction when the concentration each of the reactant. Okay, rate constant is equal to rate of the reaction of the concentration of each reactants. Next point, the rate of reaction depends on the initial concentration of the reaction. We already know that concentration is increases, rate of reaction also increases. Concentration decreases, rate of reaction also decreases. So rate of the reaction is depends on the initial concentration of the reactant, but here it does not depends on the initial concentration of the reactant. The rate constant is always independent. Okay students, it's a very important question. 3 more question. The difference between rate of the reaction and rate constant. The next topic is molecularity. The molecularity is 2 more question. So what is molecularity? The total number of reactant species that are involved in the elementary steps are called molecularity. In the first example, we already discussed in 11th standard. Tertiary butyl bromide is SN1 reaction. Now we are discussed from the 12th book. Hydrogen peroxide, 2 moles of hydrogen peroxide in aqueous state undergoes decomposition into water and oxygen. It is a first order reaction, but here it involves a 2 steps process. First step, hydrogen peroxide treated with iodine to form water and hypoiodide. Second step, hydrogen peroxide is treated with hypoiodide to give water and iodine and oxygen. Here hypoiodide and hypoiodide cancelled. Net result or overall result reaction, 2 moles of hydrogen peroxide undergoes decomposition to 2 moles of water and oxygen. Here the first step is a rate determinant step. First step is a rate determinant steps because very slow step. So molecularity 2 because the 2 moles of hydrogen peroxide involved in the reaction. So molecularity 2. Here hydrogen peroxide and iodine are involved. So once again, molecularity is a total number of reactants species that are involved in the elementary steps. That is called molecularity. Next is next difference between order and molecularity. So it is very important, 3 mark, sometimes asking 1 mark also. So what are the difference between order and molecularity? First, order means what? Sum of the power of the concentration of involved in the experimental determine the rate law. For example, rate is equal to K into A power M and B power N. Here order is equal to sum of the power of concentration of the reactant. So M plus N, that is order. Okay students, sum of the power of the concentration involved in the experimental rate determined law. Order can be determined experimental only. Next, molecularity means what? Total number of reactant species that are involved in the elementary steps. Elementary steps, how many reactants involved in the elementary steps of reaction? So that is molecularity. Okay, for example, A gives product. Here molecularity is 1. A plus B gives product means 1 plus 1 is some 2 molecules are involved, or 2A also here 2 molecularity. Okay, so the total number of reactant species that are involved in an elementary steps, that is molecularity. Point number 2, order can be 0, fractional or integer. Okay, sometimes order 0 or 1.5 fraction, integer, first order reaction or second order reaction, like that. Okay, so order can be 0, fractional or integer, but molecularity is always whole number. First, molecularity means 1 or 2, 3, like that. Cannot be 0, fractional. Okay, so molecularity always whole number, cannot be 0, fractional number. Okay students, next one, the order is assigned for overall reaction. We already know that rate of reaction is equal to A power M into B power N. Order is equal to M plus N. So here order is assigned for overall reaction. But here molecularity is measured by the elementary steps of the mechanism. Elementary steps of the mechanism is called a molecularity. Okay students, this is a very important question. So difference between order and molecularity. Okay, we will meet next class. Thank you.